If you have 2 bananas at home, make this delicious recipe. Bananas are rich in important nutrients, including fiber, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. They are also incredibly delicious, convenient, and one of the most inexpensive fresh fruits you can buy. Eating fresh bananas is the best. But sometimes, we all crave something different. Try this recipe today, and share your experience with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Take 2 bananas. Peel and mash well. You can use overripe bananas also. Add 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add some milk gradually and mix. The consistency should be like this. In a fry pan, heat some cooking oil for deep frying. Add the mixture little by little using a spoon. Fry both sides until golden brown. Now pick up and put on a tissue paper for removing extra oil. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.